I am Rusty Cole, qualifying broker for Heritage Oaks Realty, and this is our leadership team.
Hi, I'm Jessie Nelms with Heritage Oaks Realty. I help families achieve the American dream of homeownership.
Hi, my name is Jorgenson, Associate Broker here at Heritage Oaks Realty. Buyers and sellers education is super important to me. That's why I offer free in-person and virtual buyers consultations.
Hi, I'm Sharon Bevins with Heritage Oaks Realty. Buyers, did you know I can show you homes anywhere in Georgia, even if they're not my listings?
I'm Kyle Nelms, Associate Broker with Heritage Oaks Realty. Most buyers don't realize how easy it is to qualify for a home loan.
Hi, I'm Misty Bundoora, an associate broker with Heritage Oaks Realty. Buyers, did you know I could get you into a home with as little as $1,000?
Hey, I'm Michele Calcagno with Heritage Oaks. Did you know that you can negotiate the commission when you're selling your home?
We have two offices, one in Douglasville, one in Hiram. Our entire leadership team started their real estate career with the focus to help families achieve goals. They started their real estate careers to help families achieve the American dream. And that's purchase a home. Thank you. We ready? What's my line again, guys?
I'm Rusty Cole.
No, I'm Rusty Cole.
I know, you said what's my line?